You seem out of it today.
Is everything okay?
Just thinking about the future, so many possibilities. It is overwhelming.
I get that. It is easy to get caught up in what-ifs.
Exactly. But then I remember what Grandpa always said. Life is a journey, not a destination.
There you go. There will be bumps, wrong turns, and unexpected detours, but that is all part of the adventure.
You're right.
Instead of stressing about the what-ifs, maybe start with a what now.
Thanks, Mom, you always know how to ground me. Hello, let's learn new expressions mentioned in this conversation. You seem out of it today. Ground someone.